Sandeep Balaji Gotomod, and today's date is 18 March 2024. And today's topic name is tree map in Java. In Java, tree map is a class that implements the map interface and provides a sorted key value pair. It is implemented as a red black tree which provides log n time cost for the contains key, get put and remove operations. Then we see map in details. First is initialization. To create a map, tree map, we use the tree map class and specify the types for keys and values within angle brackets. Tree map where keys are of type string and values are of type integer. Then second is adding elements. We can add elements to the tree map using the put method. For example, tree map dot put apple. Then it adds the key value pair apple and in tree map. Then third is iterating over elements. We can iterate over the key value pairs in the tree map using a for each loop and entry set method. Each entry in the entry set represents a key value pair. Then fourth is getting value by key. We can retrieve the value associated with the specific key using the get method. Then fifth is checking if key exists. We can check if a specific key exists in the tree map using the contents method. For example, boolean contains key is present in tree map dot contains key. It checks if the key exists in the tree map and stores the result in the variable contains key. Then sixth is removing elements. We can remove a specific key value pair from the tree map using the remove method. For example, tree map dot remove element. It removes the key value pair with the key element from the tree map. Tree map maintains the elements in sorted order based on the natural ordering of the keys or by a comparator provided at the time of creation. It offers logarithm time complexity for basic operations such as insertion, deletion, retrieval of making of elements, making it efficient for large data sets. Tree map is used in Java whenever we need to maintain a collection of key value pairs where the keys are sorted. Some common use cases are sorting. If we needed to store key value pair in sorted order based on the keys, tree map is suitable choice. For example, if we have a list of names and corresponding ages, and we want to maintain them in alphabetical order of names. Range queries. Tree map provides methods to efficiently retrieve submaps or entire within a specified range of keys. This is useful when we need to find elements within a certain range, such as finding all elements between two dates or create certain numerical range. So this is all about tree map in Java. Thank you.